What's up, guys? It's time for more Resident Evil 4. I'm not sure if this is my file or Laurel's file. We haven't done this in a while.
Yeah.
But, this is a long game, so, I'm not, we don't always have the chance to record, so I might not keep doing this game, but I'll do this video.
Yeah, I was doing a Let's Play of this on my channel before, but I had to record with my my shitty phone, so it didn't look so good.
Yeah. And I think I already killed this guy. As long as he don't respawn. Or good.
Yeah, you have to go all the way back over there.
Yeah. I'll do this part. Wait, he's in there. That's where he was. Or I'm going in here. But if you want me to continue this, give me 10 likes for this video. And I will continue it. And I'm not going to do another episode unless I get that amount of
how you
likes.
holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear
And
that.
you only have 14
I'm
subscribers,
sending
that's a
you playing
hard...
manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
The hell? That was pointless. I know how to play.
Oh, yep, here's that one part. You only have 14 subscribers, so it's gonna be hard to get 10 likes, but you've done it before, so...
Exactly. Damn. That guy couldn't avoid the mixtape.
Yeah, he didn't barely miss it.
And he must love that mixtape. He died listening to it.
Must have been some fire stuff. It must be listening to Eminem's mixtape. If it's worth dying for.
Or how much ammo do I got?
Barely. What I'd do is I would sneak in one of the buildings first before attracting attention.
The hell? Sweet. Shit. Oh. Shit. I was trying to kick the bitch. I'm breaking. Oh. The hell? Oh. Die. Oh. Come on, I'm gonna kick it. Oh. I'm out of here. Wait. Get down. Oh. Later, bitches.
Oh, don't go over there. You don't want to attract that one person.
There's some shit in here. I need to get in here. Open up. No, down. Come on. Turn to the... Okay. Turn around. Down. No, I'm gonna wait till I get to the door. Down. Man, you're supposed to hit him. The hell, how did I miss him? Shit. Oh. Miss me, bitch. Cook 'em. Come on. Stupid game. What? Boom. Boom. Headshot. Boom. Headshot. Shit.
You better get out of here, cause that
Damn. That guy with the chainsaw's coming. No, move, bitch. Get out the way.
wait, I don't think he comes until you go into this building.
Yeah.
Vaya por detrás. Who are these people?
They're zombies, bro.
What are they planning?
Okay, maybe now that guy's gonna come.
Chainsaw.
Oh, that's cool. Now you don't have to push it in front of it.
Oh, I got a
Son of
black shirt. Come on. Wait, one more. Move. Come on, hurry up. Got him. No. Oh, there's the guy. Shit. I need to heal.
Can Ryan do this in the first try?
Shit. I need a shotgun. Shoot that guy off. Damn. Die. Die. Come on, hurry up. Haha. Please be dead. Die. Did I get him? Shit. Grenade.
Yeah.
Haha. You dead? Yeah, I got him.
Good job. You did it. GG.
Get out here. No, I wanted to kick the freaking thing down. Stupid game.
You just shot him in his nuts.
Where's it anyone there? Come here. Damn. Take that.
You knocked her down. No, you didn't.
Got it. Sure. Oh, shit.
They're just all jumping down.
Oh,
Good job.
I'm looking for some stuff.
Why? You don't need ammo.
Should have got that earlier.
Fire the grenade.
Come Come here. Haha. Yeah. How do you like the sound of my mixtape, bitches?
Damn!
Yeah, boom, headshot. Yeah,
La Capala, what the hell? They all sound Mexican. I wonder if they're speaking Spanish or they're just speaking some kind of zombie language.
Lord Sattler.
who gives a shit?
That was English.
Hey, where y'all going? I was gonna kill all y'all. Running like little pussies. Just kidding.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Bingo!
Resident Evil 4. 10 likes if you want more. Remember that.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news.
Leave
Confirmed
5
the
likes if
body
you
of
want
an
me to do
officer.
it. I
Something
probably will
happened to the
anyways,
people
no
here.
matter how many likes
Leon,
we
you need
get.
to get out of there. Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Make me. Literally, make me. 10 likes and I'll do it.
You've never set a like goal before. So until you get 10 likes, you're not going to do any more episodes?
Nope, I need to find a save point first. But I'm gonna go up here.
Hey, you guys thought it was the end of the video, but it was just me, Dio. I don't know what anime that's from. And I'm the admin, that's sad. I can't ask admin what anime, because I'm the admin.
Shut up.
But why though?
I think I'll go this way.
You sure do, Sam.
My name's not Sam. No, Sam. It isn't. My name isn't Sam, Sam. Turn around. Turn around.
He was pressing the wrong button. What are you doing?
Can't see.
Oh, it must be John Cena up in there, because you can't see it anything.
Yeah, I know, right?
I remember that one time when Brittany, you can't see Brittany in the chat. For some reason her messages weren't working.
Wait, what's that?
That's a map. Oh. Recently there's been, hey.
I'll read it if I get 10 likes. Already went there. Alright. The hell is a save point?
Welcome to 2 minutes of Ryan trying to find a save point so we can end the video.
True. Wait, there's one right over here. Alright. Leave 10 likes if you want me to continue.
Wait, what, is Laurel gonna continue?
I don't know. It's the same with Laurel. Laurel will continue also if this video gets 10 likes. See you guys whenever that happens.
Bye.